Working on a field or job site requires a lot of equipment, hence the need for an efficient multi-tool that can do a lot of functions. One that's not only convenient, but handy. A multi-tool is a versatile equipment that allows you to accomplish a lot of tasks. You can use it to make large holes, cut wood, saw metal, and even drywall. It makes plunge cuts easier than ever. A multi-tool is an excellent item which offers convenience, and you can bring it with you anywhere you go because it fits easily in a bag, purse, or even your pocket. This equipment is also applicable for hunting and camping, and it's a must-have for every scout. It is in fact a basic tool for survival. So stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 multi-tools fit for you. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we'll relay all the best items to you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, then you can check the links in the description below. Now let's start. Our first item is Gerber Center Drive 14-tool multi-tool pliers with sheath. It's ideal for camping and other outdoor activities. This multi-tool yields a revolutionary design that you'll surely love. Notice how it looks like a screwdriver when its center axis driver opens. It also brings maximum rotation and torque. The outboard blade is longer by 30%. The sliding jaws, on the other hand, can be accessed by one hand. It offers a lot of features, such as a one-thumb opening system, serrated blade, bottle opener, fabric sheath, file blade, and a lot more. The sliding jaws of the needle nose pliers can be opened by one hand, and it also contains a full-sized 3.25 inches plain edge blade, a pry bar together with a nail puller, an awl, a flathead, and Phillips bits. Its closed length is 4.7 inches, while the open length is 6.6 inches. It has a tool lock and lanyard hole. This heavy-duty pocket toolbox is one for the books and allows you to do activities with ease. Whether you're cutting ice or boxes, it does the work. However, it's a bit of a challenge if you aim to cut a power cord cable. The main blade is not designed to do that much work. There are instances where the tool creaks when opening the bit holder, and also there's tendencies where the tools can rust after several uses. Next, we have the Victorinox Swiss Army tool. This tool ensures functionality and durability. The equipment tied in this tool is being held together by individual springs, which also helps you access things individually. It features its lock and release system, which aims to lock each tool when opened. The release system works when you fold away the tool by sliding the dedicated release button. It has a lightweight design, making it a compact item that you can bring anywhere you go. Each tool is polished, tempered, and annealed so that it turns out to be corrosion resistant and achieves the required hardness. It's made of high-quality steel, which boasts a lot of functions, such as the long nose and standard pliers, awl, keychain, a hook remover, fish scaler, saw, knife, and 2 files. Of course, it contains a wire cutter, a medium and large slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a bottle and can opener, which we see often in multi-tools. Sharpening and cleaning are just as easy with this item as well. A whetstone is a great start in resharpening your knife. If you're sharpening it on a grinding wheel, always see to it that you cool it with plenty of water to prevent excessive temperatures and damages. After each use of the tool, make it a routine of opening and closing the particular tool you used in warm water so that it works swiftly on the next use. Once dried, apply a small amount of oil between the spring, blade, and tool shank. It's a good practice to maintain its locking mechanism. A Swiss Army knife oil is being sold separately. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Well, keep watching because we still have more to come. Before proceeding, let me take this opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our next videos. Now let's continue. Our third product is the SOG Baton Q3 Multi-Tool. This equipment is ideal to use in the wilderness. It's a great help for modern users. It functions as a real quality tool that will surely fit the lifestyle of the user. It's designed for everyday use, and each tool serves a different purpose, and it's engineered to endure tough situations. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits in your purse, bag, and pocket. If you want it to be always within your reach, place it in your pants pocket or in a pen slot inside your bag. Design-wise, it displays a sleek and minimalist style. It wears a black and gray finish. This tool is made of a stainless steel blade. All-around steel construction delivers excellent edge retention and sharpening ability, and it's also highly corrosion resistant. Its height and thickness portray a marker, and its overall length is 5.8 inches and weighs 6 ounces. Baton contains various functions, starting with its standard features, such as a small and medium flat screwdrivers, pliers, Phillips screwdriver, 3-sided file, and wire cutters. It also has a jewelry driver, bolt and nut gripper, awl, straight blade, and a chisel for wood cutting. Of course, a multi-tool will not be complete without a can and bottle opener as its basic function. Some tools are difficult to open and have instances where some users experience a hard time opening the accessory tool using fingernails. However, it's all precisely made and it deploys pretty fast most of the time. We want to know what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. Now let's head on to the last two products. Our fourth item is Leatherman Micra Keychain Multi-Tool. This multi-tool is best for hobbyists, anglers, and people who are into spring scissors. It features 10 helpful functions that are jam-packed in one excellent tool. This compact Leatherman tool is ideal for a sewing kit, pocket, fanny pack, purse, keychain, and a tackle box. It's the perfect gift for any occasion as well, and its closed length is 2.5 inches, with a blade length of 1.6 inches. It's lightweight at 1.8 ounces, and it's engineered with a key ring attachment, making it a tool that's always within your reach. The body part of this product is made of stainless steel, while the handle is created with aluminum. Choose among the variants of screwdrivers it offers. It has a flat and Phillips screwdriver, medium screwdriver, and another extra small screwdriver. It also functions as a spring action scissor, ruler, nail file, nail cleaner, a bottle opener, and tweezer. Indeed, it's efficient for your daily routines, whether you're at home or outdoors traveling or camping. This Leatherman multi-tool is made in the USA, and the carrying brand ensures you have 25 years limited warranty service. It's a pretty great offer since all you need to do is send the item over and they'll fix it for you. Last but not least, we have the Ozark Trail multi-tool. It's the best tool for one who often goes outdoors and is fond of using many different types of tools. It features 17 items, offering a variety of functions that will surely be of help to you whether you're in the camp, trail, or plainly working at a job site. Among its standard functions are pliers, long nose, large and medium screwdriver, and a wire cutter. It also yields a can and bottle opener as well. It has a Phillips screwdriver, a saw, knife, a fish scaler, ruler, 2 sets of files, hook remover, awl, and a keychain. This multi-tool is made out of metal, and it's engineered with a solid construction, which can probably explain why it seems a bit heavy for some experienced users. The knife and blade are perfectly sharpened to provide you with high-quality results. It also comes with a nylon sheath that makes sure to hold the multi-tool for a long time. If you're able to attach the sheath to your belt loop, then be careful about fitting it in, as there's some instances that the stitches can come out. Also, carefully close the plier handle by turning it down before you put it back on the pouch, then lock by the rivet. Moreover, you may use the small round ring as a keychain. Lastly, if you purchase this item, be mindful of acid indigestion as a health risk. So there you have it, the top 5 multi-tools for you. Whichever you opt to get based on your standards, we hope that you find in our list the most efficient multi-tool that fits your needs. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. Stay updated with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. Also, if you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon. By doing so, you get the chance to see more of our videos. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.